Hey guys, good afternoon, good morning, the time you're watching on that. I would like to remind you we do the new type of the basement walls using the ICF. So we have them installed in the 6 inches and the 8 inches. So you can give us a call and we can just provide you with the material and the explanation how to do so, or just set it up for you, which is even cheaper than to set the regular basement walls. But by the end of the process, you will get RTP installation in your base. So watching this out, we have the ICF forms for the walls. We have a corner corners from the warehouse for other projects right now. So we have them installed. We can deliver them on the website. We can guide you how to install them with the fiberglass rebars, which we have installed as well. We have the installation and almost anything you need. So give us a call. We can deliver everything in the job site. We can even install it for you. So keep in mind the ICF walls for the basement will give you more things on the basement walls itself plus RTP installation. By the price, we pay the same like you just pay for the regular concrete basement wall, but with the RTP installation. Also these days we use the fiberglass rebar. We have number 5, we have number 3, we have number 5. So this is the easiest thing you can install on your job site. Like one guy can handle the whole rebar system. Just build that in a day. It's easy, it's light, it flex. So this is the best product these days. Hey guys, Atlanta Turnkey Construction here. I would like to offer you to exchange the wooden construction into the metal construction. This is the galvanized steel, 16 gauge. This is what I can build for you. Instead of the wooden frame, I can do the metal frame in the galvanized steel. It will never rust, it will never give you any problem with the water damage, no problem with the pest control and anything like that. So it will stay forever, 100 years, it's sturdy, it's always straight, it's always silver. Give me a call and we can discuss your future project. We design, we cut, we do it. So in my hand, I have a bracing piece which go onto the exterior wall frame, and this is thickness of the metal fibers. You can see the buttons, we have them, so that's the reinforcement. And this is the complete galvanized steel. Every part is black, so it's easy to assemble. So we'll put it in the